Hello there, my name is Dan and the main purpose of my channel is to show people how to grow their own fruit and vegetables no matter what size garden, allotment or growing space they do indeed have. Over the last few years I've been working on a partial self-sufficiency project here in Essex, UK, and if you like my work please feel free to like and share, and if you'd like to be notified of any further videos I've got to put up please feel free to subscribe. So I've been working on a melon project, okay, and they're starting to ripen now. I featured sweet granite the other day, so that video's on my recent uploads list. And today we're going to be talking about Petit Gris De Renne, which is a French heirloom variety around 400 years old, and it's a Charentais type melon, okay. So I've got one here, let's have a look at it. Right, now this is the melon here. So they're about a kilo, which is around 2.2 pounds, and these are very sought after in the US apparently. So I'll let you have a look at it. Now it's a nice smell, and now look, I put my hand there, you can see the size of it, and they produce in about 80 to 85 days after planting. So that's very quick actually, and once again a good melon for cooler climates, shorter seasons, etc, etc. So came from down there where my melon project is. Now let's see what it tastes like. Now plenty of seeds there, good for a bit of seed saving, as you can see there. Yep, now that's a very tasty melon actually. You know, if you think of this style melon, you know, it certainly wouldn't be out of place in a supermarket. I'll put that back down there like that. Now here you go, I think it's what it looks like. So it's a very nice looking one, and yeah, so a good melon there. Now I'm going to link a load of videos down below of the melon project. If you haven't seen it already, you can see just how I've come to this position. So over the years I intend to feature more and more melons on this channel because I really enjoy growing them. So I've got 5 desserts down here and also some blacktail mountain watermelons. So let's have a look at them. Now you can see, so yeah, this is the 5 desserts melon here, okay, and there's a watermelon here as well. So intriguing. And over here, bitter melons, okay, otherwise known as bitter gourd. Oh, goodness gracious me! Look at that one. Look, oh, goodness gracious, look at that. That is fantastic. I'm amazed. I did not see that one there. Goodness me, I tell you what, when one sees the fruits of their labours or the veggies of their labours, it makes one happy on a September evening. Right peeps, I'm going to go and finish off the rest of this melon. So there we are. If you like my work, please feel free to like, share and subscribe. And check me out on Dan_Home Gardens on Instagram if indeed you are interested. Thank you for viewing. Over and out.